Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2021 Kia Carnival Maintenance Light Reset. We are going to use this screen right here, the GPS system, and go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position, and if you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice without your foot on the brake. As you can see, we are on this screen, and go ahead and scroll left to take you here to the screen right here, and go ahead and hit setup. Go ahead and hit vehicle right here, and go ahead and click on the cluster. As you can see right here, it says service interval. Go ahead and click on that, enter on that, and right here, as you can see, the reset button. Go ahead and hit on the reset button and hit OK. I mean yes, and there it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.